Something about a rainy night, everything gets quiet and my ideas flow. Work does not always need noise. Sometimes clarity comes in the silence between the raindrops. This is my little corner of ideas, a space where thought turns into plans. The keyboard, the mouse, and desktop set in their usual order, ready for another quiet section. After a bit, I stepped into the kitchen to make something simple, fresh corn boiling gently in a pot while the lamp played its own soundtrack behind me. When it was ready, I plated it warm and bright, exactly what a rainy evening needed. My fresh corn, ready to savor the taste of comfort. And as the night whispers good night, I end the day with gratitude. See you in the next one. Have a nice evening.